Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better.
Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to the new subscribers. I post videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Welcome. Now, today I want to talk about YouTube and people that want to post videos on YouTube or become a YouTuber like they see me doing or other people on YouTube doing. Now, with YouTube, I want you to understand that YouTube is a job. Literally, it's not like a job, it is a job. YouTube, you have to be dedicated, you have to be interested in making video, interested in pleasing people, because YouTube it's a consumer service where you make videos and people go on there for different reasons. You have many reasons to go on YouTube and people watch those videos. Now, in order to make a YouTube video or make a YouTube channel and let it become successful, it needs a lot of resources, where financially you need the financial resources to put into making your videos. You need a good computer, you need one that is fast, you need software, editing software to process your videos, you need a good digital camera. Starting off YouTube, it's looking from the outside looking in, it seems like it is very easy, something you can just take up a camera and do. And to be honest with you, it is not easy. YouTube is not easy. I figured that out. I started out with a phone camera, and I wouldn't recommend starting out with a phone camera for different reasons. Stability, where the videos are shaky, the video quality. If you can wait a bit before you start your channel and invest in a good digital camera, then that would be excellent. That will help to grow your channel. Also, you need good editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro. There's one for Apple computers. Once you buy the Apple computer, then that comes with the system, I think. I'm not sure about the later software, but if you're not a Mac user, Windows, you have to pay for the software. No, these are very expensive, so you have to think about paying for these on a monthly basis, monthly subscription for the Adobe Premiere Pro. Or if you know somebody with a licensing key that can, give you a copy, then sure, go ahead. Also, things you need to know about formatting, different video size, video quality, all those stuff when editing, different format that you can export your videos in, whether it be for the larger screen or a small phone screen. You have to know those different formats. What I find is that a lot of people from the outside looking in, these are the consumers, we are the creators. The consumers on the outside looking in, they think it is easy, and they can just sit there and judge you based on what they see on other vlogs and say, oh, you need to do this and oh, you need to do that. But they don't know how hard it is for you to create a video, be fluent in the video, put out that video on YouTube and make it look professional. It is not easy. YouTube is not easy, and sometimes I find it very difficult to even come up with a topic that I think people will like and find a way to bring it forward, because I have a very nice personality, but sometimes I get stuck in the camera phase, where you're just looking at the camera. It's not a person, and you're trying to bring across your personality with the camera. It is totally different, because when I'm around people, it's a different kind of vibe. I kind of bring out the fun in me more, but it's very difficult for me to just look in front of the camera and be like, oh yeah, and not all crazy. I just find it weird because it's not a person. You see what I'm saying? So that aspect of it, where your personality, trying to bring forward that kind of personality, that being you, being real, the authenticity, in the videos, people really love that. But it's very hard sometimes, and I want all the new aspiring YouTubers to understand that you have to find a way to bring that forward, and I'm still struggling with that. Getting subscribers, people come in with the mindset that, oh, YouTube is easy, or when I'm going to make my video, I want to get 50,000 subscribers by the year, or I want to get 1,000 subscribers for the month. Really, it's been a year. I'm at 210 subscribers. It is hard. I'm not saying that you can't get there. I'm not saying that people will like your video, but baby steps, baby steps. People will invest their time and energy and effort in a channel that they know that's going to be here for 1 year, a 2 year, a 3 year period. If you're just on YouTube, don't set your standards so high, and then when you get 1 subscriber after 3 months, you're like, oh, YouTube, nobody likes me, and then you get all depressed and you're like, oh Lord. Yeah, I might just pause some, you'd have to pause a bit. But yeah, after you get 1 subscriber after 3 months, you're like, oh my God, only 1 subscriber, I can't move from 1 subscriber to my God. That is YouTube for you. YouTube is very challenging. So have that mindset when you're coming in that you have to put in a lot of hard work and dedication, put in the effort and energy, the financial resources that is needed to get camera, to get lights, all those stuff. Listen, I have a tripod and a camera, and I just built my computer the other day. That's why I can punch out more videos and stuff without having problems and stuff like that, rendering time and all that. But still, I have a lot of work to do, have so much more to do. I'm dedicated to it, and I'm going to try my best to continue. But my advice to you guys is come in with a mindset that it's an investment. YouTube is an investment, and you need to invest time and energy and resources into making your channel where you want it to be, like the rest, like the guys that started 5, 10, 11 years ago. They, you know, invested the time and energy and the money that is needed to get them where they are today. So don't look at them and then look at me and judge me and say, oh, well, you know, I won't subscribe because you're not like them, and then if I come and create videos on YouTube, then I can be better. Pause. You need to realize that it takes a lot of hard work, and it's just like a business. People are going to invest if they're going to get returns. So most channels will be more successful than others. Some won't. My channel is kind of stagnant at the moment at 210 subscribers. Hopefully I get more. I'm going to try my best to be creative and come up with fun topic. So thanks again, guys. This video is Tuesday video, and it's coming to you right now. So thanks for watching. I'm going to play some tennis now. Look out for Thursdays. It will be an interesting topic, controversial Thursdays, I think. That's what I'm going to call it. So thanks again for subscribing. Thanks again for watching JVLOGS, guys. Enjoy yourself. I'm gone. Kick out. We're gone. Later.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic.